Applied to colleges, I had people who told me that I was reaching too high, that the schools I was applying to were too much for me, and then I got there and I looked around and I thought, I'm as smart as these people. What were they thinking? So there are a lot of people who will try to step on your confidence based on their assumptions about who they think you are, And what you have to remember is that you are competent and capable and able to do it. And I learned that after graduating from college. I really didn't feel like there was anything I couldn't do, because I was so worried that maybe they were right about me going to this college. They were so wrong, so completely wrong. One thing I want you all to remember is that failure is an important part to success. Nobody up here went straight line to success. There are bumps and slip-ups and embarrassments that you think you will never overcome. Everyone has had it, from the president on up or down, whichever way you look at it. The thing that you can't do is hide from your failures and not seek help when you are struggling.